Hi, travelers. Welcome back. And if you're new here, a special welcome to you. Today, we're journeying through Uruguay, a country that's safe, scenic, and full of flavor. Think golden beaches, charming towns, and endless mat tea and friendly locals who make you feel right at home. Let's see what you can expect when traveling to Uruguay. Montevideo, if Uruguay's hot and perfect place to start your trip, walk through along the Rambla, the world's longest waterfront promenade. Explore Vita with colorful street and lively markets. Don't miss Marco de la Porto for a classic Uruguayan asado. And at sunset, grab a mate, and you can watch the sun dip into the Rio of Plata. Spend an afternoon in Parque Rudo with locals enjoying picnics and paddle boats. Then end your day in Montevideo's lively tango clubs and music bars. Punta del Este, Uruguay is glamorous seaside playground. Relax on Playa Brava or Playa Manasada. Visit the famous Hand and Sand sculpture or enjoy cafes and a nightlife along the shore. It's the perfect spot for sun, surf, and stylish coastal fun. Colonia del Sacramento. Step back in time in Colonia in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander cobblestone streets, take in colorful colonial buildings, and climb the lighthouse for sweeping river views. It's quiet, romantic, and filled of old wood charm. Relax at Riverside Cafe as ferries arrive from Buenos Aires, admiring the vintage cars that line the streets. Then wander the old city's halls and hidden plazas that whisper a story of Colonia's colonial past, where every corner reveals a piece of time's heritage and slow-paced charm. For Costa Coast, for nature lovers, Rocosta is a must. Explore Cabo Pelona, a car-free village surrounded by sand dunes and sea lions. Relax in La Palma or hike the coastline with starry skies and peaceful beaches. It's Uruguay's wild side. Spend an evening by the shore, watching sea lions play at sunset, and moonlight glisten on your untouched sands. Wake up in the sound of waves, explore hidden caves, and discover beaches where time will stand still, offering perfect spots for stargazing and long, tranquil walks. Uruguay is a paradise for food lovers. Try asado, the country's famous grilled beef. Share mate with locals, and don't miss out on cachivo. It's a delicious steak sandwich. Food here isn't just a meal, it's part of culture, always shared and celebrated. Stroll through colorful local markets, sharing mate with friendly vendors as you sample through fresh produce, essential cheeses, and sweet traditional treats. Uruguay is famous for its town-up wine, and coldness is its heart. Visit family-run vineries, taste World Award-winning wines, and enjoy a relaxed countryside. It's an easy day from a trip to Montevideo and perfect for wine lovers. Uruguay is budget-friendly. Meals start around $5 to $10 and stays from $25 a night. Wi-Fi is reliable And SIM cards are easy to get. Carry a little cash, run a few Spanish phrases, and you're set for smooth travels. Uruguay shines all year round. Summer is beach season, autumn brings wine harvest, spring is colorful and quiet, and winter is mild with cozy cultural experiences, escapes. Whatever the season, you'll find something to love. Whatever season, you'll find something to love. Festivals fill the calendar, and each region repeats its own charm in every season. So that's what to expect when traveling to Uruguay. Golden beaches, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality that makes you feel at home. Whether you come for food, festivals, or wild coastlines, Uruguay offers unforgettable experiences at every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this inspired your next adventure. See you in the next video.